Good morning, traders. If you are trading S&P mini future, you are fully aware that yesterday was extremely important event, FOMC minutes. This is software at that time projected on 1 minute chart that shows you precision is critical key part. Absolutely no speculation, absolutely clear far in advance where price would reverse from, which is exactly what played out after FOMC. After FOMC at the market close, precise entry, stop and target have shown you. This is a critical key brick wall to the downside that we also watching on every single chart this morning. As market pulling back from historical high. This is historical morning. But as we monitoring this pullback, an intelligent trader has scanners running up front, knowing quite well. Multiple alerts show up. This is institutional sell-off. If not, this is only retail chop. Key event next, which will tell us clearly if we are seeing institutional crash or not. This is simplicity and purity of the software running in front of you. This is a crucial key event, these levels. And you know all of this far in advance. So as intelligent trader monitors this carefully, let's recap to remind you all that played out yesterday during extremely important event of the month. This is a chart that's present in the trading room for days. This was crucial key event that have confirmed that institutional longs placed at this level, that have confirmed the precision and power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, where price reversed with vengeance on every single chart. So if you're trading the system and inserting proprietary levels and applying proprietary rules, you know that this is critical key event next. There is no speculation, there is no gambling. You are very clear. Market crash is a beautiful news. If not, and buyers defend this level with vengeance on every single chart, it's only retail pullback. This level will be critical next. That's it. So when you're using your limitless brain and you're trading markets as strategic intelligent chess, everything changes. You are not speculating, you are not gambling, you are not trading with random speculative entries. You are strategizing. You are trading with precision on every instrument you choose to trade. So I'm monitoring charts on my left. Let's recap and review other events this week. Oil. This is critical key chart on oil well before oil news. So in case you missed the event, let me remind you. Here's key chart on oil day before the news. Take a look. This is May 21st. Here's oil news. As we're discussing with traders, well before the news. Absolutely no short near Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Oil skyrocketed with vengeance, reminding you. Alpha Fibonacci system overrides news all the time. Despite extremely bearish news, oil skyrocketed 160 points plus. Identical event the week before, reminding you, when you're using your limitless brain, the sky's as a limit. You do not short reversal zone, you buy oil at this level. Apple skyrocketing, critical key level on Apple 200. Intelligent trader knows this quite well. Remembering catastrophic sell-off on oil 2022 on Apple and where Apple skyrocketed from. That's it. This is Apple, December 2022. This is Apple now. Entirely different level. So if you choose to trade Apple or you choose to trade Euro, you remember forever. Alpha Fibonacci system overrides news all the time. Does anyone know good news in Europe? So how is it possible that euro skyrocketed with vengeance? Historical level on euro 104. 104 is out, euro in free fall. Intelligent trader knows this many months in advance. So please make a personal decision on what you want to trade. But remember, these are proprietary levels that you can insert on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. And if you will decide to trade with software for Ninja Trader 8, you understand and remember, simplicity is a key part. Bold green zone in a play on every single chart. That's it. Identical strategies, identical rules apply to gold, to Amazon, to Bitcoin, to crypto. As next I'm meeting with incredible crypto traders in Europe. So here we are, Bitcoin now, no sell-off, only correction. That's it. And you knew many months in advance where to exit Bitcoin before the crash and where to buy Bitcoin at the bottom, as our students have done. All posted on the website under performance. So as S&P taking a major pause before major news, intelligent trader very well prepared. Buyers are weak, it's a critical key, retail buy point, not institutional retail. In institutional class you learn the difference and the importance of riding institutional power. This is key institutional chart present in the trading room for months. So while we're waiting for major news, let me remind you the importance of trading with institutions and knowing far in advance where institutional buy points are. Here we go. Last week in October, crisis in Middle East started. The world in shock. In the trading room, we're discussing with my students in classes. Do not short near this level, monitor for long. This is exactly where buyers stepped in with vengeance, reminding you. Critical key quote. I constantly remind my students, be greedy when others are fearful. Exact same Murdochs of the world who are placing catastrophic news on front page, buying the market with vengeance. So when we're dissecting these critical events, as you see on this chart, 1,000 points plus historical rally is on, reaching key proprietary levels now. 1,000 points later, has anyone seen good news in this world? Please tell me. Am I missing something? This is a stunning reminder of identical event you saw yesterday on oil. Alpha Fibonacci system overrides all the news, showing you the importance of trading with institutions, not against them. So if you decide to day trade S&P or position trade S&P on multiple other derivatives or using options, this is a critical key chart that reminds you to use your limitless brain and not to short vicious institutional rally until yesterday after major event. That's it. So here we are at historical high. Sell-off and crash for retail trader is a gift. You also know many months in advance that this is key level to the downside. This is key level right now in a play on Tesla. Tesla skyrocketed from identical level in October 2022. Tesla testing key level now. Buyers are worthless, buyers are weak. Listen to our student on our podcast channel who preserved his retirement account because Richard absolutely loved Tesla. Came to private mentoring in shock when Tesla was in free fall. collapsing from 400 until 100 level. So if you see that identical proprietary level in a play on Tesla now, identical proprietary level in a play on Euro now, identical level play out on every instrument, that allows you to buy the bottom on Nvidia at 109 until 900 plus. Nvidia did not sell off, as we discussed for months. 770 level is critical, did not crash, continue staging vicious rally. So if you focus on simplicity of pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exit, the sky's as a limit. And if you will decide to day trade with software for NinjaTrader 8, you understand we are at the retail buy point on every single chart. It's a bold green zone. If you can drive, you can trade. Can you stay in your line? When you drive, can you obey green and red? That's it. All playing out in front of you, and reminds you the reason trading room is open. So you can see the system, precision and simplicity in the live markets. This level obeyed, bullish rally skyrockets, there is no institutional crash. There is zero reason to be concerned for investor. All the details in live class next. Key moment. Major news, 1 minute. On daily chart, which is option traders' favorite chart, market in critical key correction this week for the last 5 days. Again, far in advance, you know, this level is obeyed, there is no institutional crash. This is key event. So here we go, major news is out. Buyers are worthless. Intelligent trader understands this is a test. Pay attention as I converted this chart on purpose to 1. Bullish weakness across the board. Sellers taking a massive pause, retail buy point. Buyers are junky, buyers are weak. So when you stop speculating, you stop gambling, you stop stressing out. You start enjoying trading markets as intelligent, strategic chess. Rules are met, take a trade. That's simple. Do not overcomplicate markets. So price can be stuck in institutional correction, not for a couple of hours, can be stuck for days, even weeks. It's extremely important to understand and respect that. This been played for the last 5 days, with the most powerful news, the most powerful event after FOMC. Alpha Fibonacci system picked up the critical key institutional buy point 5000 level. That's simple and that pure. Every single time you pull a trigger, you engrave in your subconscious quality trading or not. That defines your success or opposite. There is absolutely nothing exciting on this chart. Test is on. Critical key, retail buy point, but there is no buyers. Buyers are worthless, buyers are weak. So when the alert showing up on your chart, it's absolutely essential to remember and understand the most powerful trades on your chart when you sell the top, when you ride institutional power to the downside. If you decide to short this late, as I project the short on 1 minute chart, it's an aggressive trade. Again, very clearly no buyers. Very clearly, this is the only option. Very late, aggressive short. Trade plays out on different chart. I choose to project software on 1. Again, green zone, aggressive. Late short. There is nothing else. Intelligent trader knows that. So when software shows up, it gives you precise entry, stop and target. Again, conservative shorts play out at the red zone. Aggressive shorts at the green. Conservative shorts played out yesterday at the market close. So choose a tick price showing you precise entry, stop and target with the software for Ninja Trader 8. These are identical levels that you see on Nvidia. These are identical levels that you see on Amazon, on gold, on oil. It is all the same. I understood this clearly in 2004 when I started building my systems, my strategies. I can't believe I'm using this word 20 years of building my systems. I promise you, pure price is the answer. Blocking pure price is the biggest mistake trader can do. And when you apply proprietary levels, proprietary rules, you trade with ultimate precision, all markets, on all time frames, all platforms, as strategic intelligent chess. And you understand quite well. There is no safe haven in Amazon or gold. Safe haven lies in you and your brilliant, intelligent brain. Remember the collapse on Amazon in 2022? We already reviewed crypto crash. Remember where bullish rally on Amazon came from? Do you like to buy the bottom and sell the top? Amazon testing key level now. 170 lifeline on Amazon. And you know this many months in advance. So when you see identical levels in a play in a trading room to the tick, you respect and remember. You can day and position trade the system across multiple instruments, multiple time frames, multiple platforms. Choice is yours. No software required, no software on Amazon, or Euro, or Bitcoin, or gold, or oil. Software in a play right now. It's a reversal zone, but again, if buyers fail to break through this level, absolutely no buyers on this chart. Zero reason to pull a trigger. Only late bearish trade. So again, this is reversal zone to the downside. Target RZ means reversal zone. Everyone seeing this? This is what intelligent trader monitors for powerful bullish reversal. Identical event as on Nvidia, as on Apple. Identical. Only difference, here you are not using software, buying the bottom on Nvidia. Here you holding position for weeks and months, from 120 until 900 level plus. Here's the key event in front of you right now. To the tick, buyers remain extremely weak. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for bullish reversal? If you know the rules, if you know what to do, do not overcomplicate the markets. After all, we are at reversal zone. So when you trade markets as strategic intelligent chess, you understand where reversal is playing out. You understand what not to short into. You understand where to exit your short. No matter what instrument you trade, choice is yours. And that's stunning and flawless reminder of the reason why traders become my dearest friends for life. All you have to do is identify what's appropriate for you and your account. That's it. After the quiet comes the power. After the weakness comes the power. From Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone. With software for Ninja Trader 8. So if you are operating as a sniper, you're trading with ultimate precision, utilizing Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. Scanner had flashed the alerts, everything played out instantly. Again, intelligent trader very well prepared, knowing quite well. This is identical level as on Nvidia. Except on Nvidia you can spend days and weeks to prepare to buy the bottom. It's an identical level as played out on oil yesterday after bearish news. It's an identical level on oil institutional chart where oil skyrocketed from in the months of July last year. It's all the same. So when you use your limitless brain and you make an effort, the sky's the limit. Remember to enter and exit with rules, and when you do, you can trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, all with software for Ninja Trader 8. So if you're ready to trade as an intelligent trader, I look forward to working with you. Please view the movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute that summarizes all the work I have done in the last 13 years, trading humanity, how to trade as an intelligent, strategic trader. So it's absolutely your choice what instrument, what time frame you will decide to trade. A system applies to every instrument, every time frame, every platform. Or you can day trade with software for Ninja Trader 8, with multi-market scanner, group or private mentoring classes, live trading room, video library, modules with savings up to $8,000. So when you click on students' performance, you see clearly that traders all over the world trading different instruments, different platforms. And when students make this very kind comment, it means the world. Because I live and breathe what I do. And when I see that trader accomplishes this after trying for 20 years, it's a stunning reminder. It's not your fault if you've been struggling forever. As my incredible student from New Zealand says, I feel like I wasted 17 years going down completely wrong paths, blocking charts with junky indicators, not anymore. I love working with Tom in New Zealand. He sees the power in pure price. So if you've been struggling for 17 or 20 years, if you lost a lot of money, it's not your fault. It's because you've been using wrong systems. So if traders can trade stocks and accomplish this, if traders can retire trading options and accomplish this, if trader can trade futures, trade forex on MT4, MT5, view, this is less than 1% of the emails. Speaking of the devil, I'm meeting with Pablo, complete beginner trader who closed low practice and now is a full-time trader. My dearest friend for life, showing you what's possible if you make an effort. Emmanuel brought his wife to the course. They are both full-time traders. So please review all the information on the website, listen to students' podcasts, view students' reviews, and choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. I meet with you one-on-one and you have access to all group courses, video library modules. Group course, the most desirable option, the most popular option, savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. So as price keeps reminding you, we remain stuck at reversal zone, only intelligent option to monitor for long. You trade markets with ultimate precision. That's it. And you remember where to enter and exit your trade. So if you have any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me, US +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for a spectacular week as price keeps bouncing from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone on multiple charts. You serious about trading? You came to the right place. All I ask you to make an effort and identify the instrument appropriate for you, your risk management, your account size. Choice is yours.